Whenever you have a struggle, you're being prepared for something great. The struggle is what defines you and what makes you grow. If you have a kid that's sick right now, you know that you would do anything to take their illness on yourself and help them, right? It is a really difficult emotional thing to go through when you're a child and you're trying to deal with illness in addition to all the other struggles there are to growing up, going to school, social, all of those things. And one of the things that you can do to coach your child through this is to help them understand that they're being prepared for greatness. That's what I just told. I have a new client that I just saw who's 16, and she now has to figure out how to eat healing foods and go to high school at the same time. And then what's she going to tell her friends when they're looking at her weird food on her plate, and how is she going to manage social situations and all of that kind of stuff. And what I told her is, you're being prepared for greatness, because greatness isn't something that just happens. You have to have some kind of struggle to realize what you're worth. Right? So if you're 16 and you're trying to figure out how to go to high school while in pain, and I actually did that. I got lupus at 16 and I had to go to high school and manage chemotherapy, arthritis, kidney failure, migraines, all of that while still trying to get great grades so I could graduate and go to my college of choice, right? So what lupus taught me was I was stronger than other people. I could do more things, right? And that's why I told her, you are so strong because you're able to go to school, get good grades, and you're in pain. So you're already stuck being more mature than other kids your age. Other kids your age, they're worried about dating and junk food and parties. And you're just trying to get through the day being in pain, right? So you're being prepared for something huge because you're already so mature. And now you're going to have to be even more mature because you're going to have to not only deal with your illness and your medications, but with choosing to eat right, because you're going to be in charge. You're going to go to school and pick out what you eat for lunch, right? And nobody can stop you. You're 16. So you're going to have to be even more mature, but that's going to pay off. And I told her, listen, I learned how to be really strong because I had to get through high school and college and medical school with lupus. But I did it. And you know what? Now that it's gone, now that it's been 14 years that I don't have a disease and I'm healthy, I'm a superhero. People always ask me, how is it that you have a full practice, you stay up late at night teaching free classes, you travel around the country teaching on stages, you're a mom, you do all this stuff, and you always seem like you have a ton of energy? And I said, because now, after all those years of doing everything everyone else did plus more with lupus, now that I don't have it and I wake up pain-free, everything's easy. I feel like a superhero. I can do everything. And now I work my butt off to make sure that you can do everything too. So what I even tell my own son whenever things go wrong in his life and he's struggling is, whenever you have a struggle, you're being prepared for something great. The struggle is what defines you and what makes you grow. So just like a caterpillar who's gone into his cocoon, eventually he realizes that he's going to die in there. He's got to break free, right? But it's going to be a struggle. He's trapped inside. So when the struggle is really big, what do? Do you give up and die? Or do you push with everything you have to break free of the cocoon? And if you break free, that's when you fly. That's when you discover you were actually born to fly. So everyone who's having a struggle right now, whether you're a kid or coaching a kid, or whether you're a grown-up who's struggling, realize that when you can overcome the struggle, when you work and you eat right and you take care of yourself and you can kick that disease to the curb, you're going to realize that you've got superpowers, that you were meant for something even greater. And you'll only find out what it is when you work through this right now. So I hope that helps your kid. Make sure that they have fun. And that's for you too, adults. Make sure your life's not just about food and health, but that you're out there having great experiences, enjoying your lives, and realize one day the struggle is going to pay off and you're going to be grateful for it. For now, you just keep your hopes up, keep your health good, keep your meals good, and keep going.